Hello, welcome to Afaan Oromo for beginners. This is Bersisa Oromo, here to help you to learn Afaan Oromo, Oromo language. The Oromo people are the people of the Horn of Africa, especially in Ethiopia and Kenya, counting to 40 million of that population. And it is a paramount importance to learn, and it's advantageous as well when you visit Oromia that you communicate with Afaan Oromo. The Oromo people are here and there to help you to learn Afaan Oromo. I'm happy you come to this video and you show an interest in learning Afaan Oromo. I'm here to help you understand and teach you Afaan Oromo very in a very simple ways and with a continuous video and support from me and from the Oromo people in the forum. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to what we are going to see in the subsequent videos that we're going to do, what I'm going to do. The first one is that obviously that we're going to see the alphabets of the Oromo people. The Oromo language, sorry. The alphabets are a little bit different from the English alphabet in that because there are voices or sounds that are different from English. Will introduce you to those. I'm not going to teach you all the basic letters ABCDs, but I just pick the main important sounds that you have to know in writing and reading Afaan Oromo. The second and the third ones are very important of my attention. These are um, the rules in writing Afaan Oromo. These are the basics, the fundamentals rules that you have to know to write Afaan Oromo and to also to read Afaan Oromo. So short sounds and long sounds in a word, and also there are soft sounds and deep or strong sounds in a word, and also there are lots of many combinations of this when we write Afaan Oromo. So these are the basics of Afaan Oromo. You understand this means you understand nearly how to write and how to read Afaan Oromo. And then my videos, lots of my videos are on these two important areas. And then we also look at some of the sounds that are silent or semi-silent in the Oromo words, and they are also very important in understanding and reading them. And come to the use of apostrophes in writing Afaan Oromo. We use this when the certain conditions are met, and that makes and necessitates the use of apostrophes in writing Afaan Oromo as one of the symbols to write Afaan Oromo. And then we come to make forming some statements, some sentences, and like communications, like greetings and so on, using those words, and so that you pick up um, some communication skills and greetings and so on, and start developing your Oromo language. And also introduce to numbers in Oromo, how we call numbers, how when numbers grow in size, how we call them. Is that different from other languages or similar to these languages? I'll introduce you with Oromo numbers, and in doing all this, you come to know a lot of Oromo language, Oromo words, and their meanings. So in every time possible, I say a word, I'll try to introduce the meaning in English as well, so that you learn the meaning as well. And this program is both for absolute beginners and also for starters, also for some people who has already some knowledge of writing Afaan Oromo, but then we want to advance. This is a beginner, but we go through intermediate, and we go as far as we can learn from each other. Thank you very much, and please subscribe so that you get all the videos you need to learn Afaan Oromo in the subsequent videos. Bye bye.